Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss how to create a private story on Snapchat. A private story allows you to add only limited friends in your story, which means you can select who can see your story. So how you can add the private story on Snapchat? For this you have to click on the profile icon. After that you have to scroll down and here you find the option of my stories. In my stories you will find the two options. The first one is as new private story and new shared story. So you have to click on new private story. Here you can select the friends you want to add in your story. After that you have to name your private story so that it can be your personal private story. After that you have to click on save, and in this way you can add that story simply you want to add. For example, if you want to add that private story, you can select any of your photos on Snapchat and you can select them so that you can add them on your private story. In this way you can add that private story to only limited person. After selecting all the settings you can simply click on send and your story will be sent. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.